Greetings everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. I am MeekFro, also known as Mykel. Today we're talking about these double-ended locks by Dreads For You. That's the name of the brand. If you're not familiar with double-ended locks, double-ended dreads, please go on my page and you will see plenty of videos of me installing these types of dreads. Not necessarily this brand, but you get the drift. These are what double-ended dreads look like, as you can see. 50 locks come in one full set here. The full set that I got from Dreads For You. I purchased some elastic bands. You can use these to install. Once again, if you've never seen double-ended dreads being installed, there are plenty of tutorials on Facebook, also on my page. I'm using right here some little fragrance to put into the dreads after they're installed because they did kind of smell like a package, because these locks did come a long way. I think they ended up coming from Russia. The locks do come with accessories already on them, but I decided to add some of my own. I prefer like earth tone dread accessories. The locks come with silver accessories, well, the set that I received. And yeah, boom, I also added some shells and a little bit of string, wrap string for my dreads there. Absolutely gorgeous color. I love this ombre color. It's I think at least 3 colors. It goes from black to brown and then to a light blonde, I think. And these locks are extremely long. This is the length that I chose. Of course, if you order from this company, you can get a shorter length. Their longest length is what you see in the video here. You can also ask for a custom color. You don't have to get this color. They have colors available already on the site. But also if you have a custom color in mind, like maybe you want, I don't know, green, purple, or whatever mixed together, you can get that done as well. You can just request it. So yeah, that's what the locks are looking like, and I'm just showing you a few of my styles, a few of my favorite styles that I like to wear when I wear double-ended locks. So yeah, that's it with this video. The locks are not stiff. They are very flexible is what I love about it. Not heavy at all. Not irritable. Very soft locks. I'm shocked because these are not human hair. Synthetic hair. I'm shocked. Love these locks. I will be wearing these locks again because they are reusable. Once again, if you have not seen any videos on how to install these, do check it out. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Thumbs up this video for me, please. Share. Bye-bye.